a boring day it is. We have absolutely nothing to do.
Let's go to the cave. There are several trees. They're laden with fruits. We'll eat some fruits and then relax under the trees.
Look at that. It seems someone has forgotten his bag here and gone.
I've never seen a game like this before.
They're so beautiful. And they seem to be made of marble. I'll take red.
I'll take green.
I'll take white.
Alright, so that leaves me with blue then. I'll take...
The balls are moving on their own. Where are we? We are in a rather dense...
like an ordinary game, guys.
But these creatures lived on Earth millions of years back. But what are they doing here now?
Here! I'm right here!
Keep moving ahead. The dinosaurs' feet are still on top of the game.
Come on, hurry up!
Deep, we're almost there. Where have we reached now?
Huh? I think we are somewhere in space.
This feels so strange. Since there is no gravity in space, we are not being pulled towards the ground. Hence, we are floating around.
Huh? That rock is coming right here. Everybody move!
So I guess it's my turn. Where are we now? This looks like a room inside some old fort. Should we start playing the game again? We'll at least get out of this place. Why didn't we see this earlier? Look at that. There is a door here with 2 lines of 6 dots each. If both of these dice arrive at a 6, then they look exactly like that door with 6 and 6 dots on it to get a double 6.
Oh no! Without our dice, how can we get out of here?
Bheem,
are visiting different countries in search of our queen for our kingdom.
But so far we haven't found anyone who is,
Who is what, Qingming?
who is actually worthy of our royal kimono, Raju.
No, does not belong to any monkey. Kalia deserves it.
Huh?
Kalia the king.
No, kimono only belongs to the queen.
Not the queen, king.
Very bad boy. Christine, our queen. Queen Tuntun.
Royal kimono has chosen you.
Please put on the kimono.
If you insist, I'll wear the kimono for once.
Ma!
Long live our Empress Tuntun! Long live!
Empress Tuntun. Empress Tuntun rules over everyone.
Ma!
Forget Ma. I'm the Empress. Get off!
Auntie is a bad empress.
Very bad.
Empress, hope that you will come along with us.
Never.
What?
But why?
Empress Tuntun will also rule over the kingdom of Dholakpur. King Indravarma!
Hand over Dholakpur to the Empress Tuntun right away.
I'll destroy the kingdom of Dholakpur.
Ma! Dholakpur is our actual home.
Qingming!
Beam! The last laddu!
Mama, I'm here.
Ma, you were...
Tuntun auntie, you had promised to serve laddus to all of us in the royal palace.
So let's go.
Hello kids, how are you all?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
I'd want you to meet Mr. Anda. He's a minister from the Messina Kingdom and he has specially come from the Icy Kingdom to learn about our farming and farm techniques used.
Iceland!
Mr. Minister, so how is this Messina province?
Messina province is beautiful, filled with beautiful people. We need a device just like this one. We need to finish our farming before the winter arrives because it is impossible to do farming in the snow.
Take us to Messina province with you.
We will teach you how to use this farming machine ourselves.
Hey, Bholu. Wow, looks like the whole of Messina province is here.
So much excitement for a farming machine.
So then come, let's get started without wasting any more time.
This device is great. Now we can finish our farming before the winter even begins.
Cheers to Team Dholarpur!
Now this is what you call a royal feast.
I'm sorry, we forgot to keep the sherbet on the table. I'll be back.
I'm so tired.
Why?
We're trying to find the elves in the forest since morning. Elves? Yes, elves. And you know dwarves can fulfill anything we wish for. Yes, dwarves.
Elves that will need to meet them for sure. Come on, let's go.
Hey, where have Bheem and his friends disappeared?
Erika and Helga sent them into the forest to find some wish-fulfilling elves.
What? You two are at it again? I have to stop them all before they find the elves and it's too late.
We have been walking in the forest since so long, but there is no sign of elves.
We found them. Come on, let's get our wishes fulfilled.
Let me inform you all that these elves are very hot-headed. They'll never grant your wishes, but they can curse you. They don't like humans at all. The only things they like are flowers.
We are sorry. Please forgive us. We were just kidding.
Who's out there? Who is trying to spy on us? I'll turn you into a rabbit. Come out!
Run! Run, run!
It's raining
Because of you, these guys could have landed in trouble. Wait till Dads find out. He'll be really angry.
We are sorry. Please forgive us. We will never misbehave again. If our friends are angry with us, we will lighten up the mood. We will dance for them like a frog.
You two are just so cute.
Come.
Do you think I'm a numbskull? Huh?
No. Of course not, boss. Though I don't know about the numb bit, but you're definitely not just a skull.
You both are going to have it from me. Stop, both of you.
Come on, Kalia. Let them be.
94.
Looks like boss is going to touch 100 this time.
Yes, just like Bhim.
Hey boss, just 3 more to go.
And you will touch 100.
I am going to climb the Neeli Pahadi. I'll climb Neeli
We are all set to head for Neeli Pahadi.
We are going for a holiday trip after so long, isn't it, guys?
And that too at a place where no one from Dholakpur has gone.
Huh? Raju, what is this?
Magnet, Jagu, magnet. Professor Dhumketu gifted this to me before he left for Vigyanpur.
Hush it now. If there's any gold at Neeli Pahadi, we'll bring it back in these bags. Load it now.
Gold! Gold! All our gold! Hey, boss!
Someone help!
Kalia, I hope you're not hurt.
Yes, I'm fine. I could have done it myself.
This was all due to this magnet? Move faster, Kalia. As it is, we are delayed. Boss!
The delay is not because of me. Bhim is the reason for this delay. God knows what all he was discussing with His Majesty.
Have a nice trip, kids.